I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show how to make Quinoa Tikki. This delicious and healthy snack is perfect for any occasion. To begin, you will need 1 cup of cooked quinoa, 1/4 cup of mashed potatoes, and 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour. Also, prepare 1/4 cup of finely chopped onions, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and 2 green chilies. For seasoning, have 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and salt ready. Let's get started. Now let's combine our ingredients to create the perfect tikki mixture. In a large mixing bowl, gently combine your cooked quinoa, mashed potatoes, and chickpea flour. Next, add the finely chopped onions, the aromatic ginger garlic paste, and the minced green chilies. Finally, sprinkle in the 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and salt to taste. Mix everything thoroughly until it forms a cohesive and pliable dough. This ensures your tikkis hold their shape beautifully. With your mixture ready, it's time to shape and cook these delightful tikkis. Take the mixture and divide it into approximately 12 equal portions. Gently flatten each portion into a round patty, about 1/2 inch thick. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, carefully place the tikkis in the pan. Cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, until they turn a beautiful golden brown and become wonderfully crispy. This step is key for that perfect texture. And there you have it, your homemade quinoa tikkis are ready to be enjoyed. For the best experience, serve these hot and crispy tikkis immediately. They pair wonderfully with a variety of dips. Try them with a refreshing mint chutney, a tangy tamarind sauce, or even a simple, cool yogurt dip. These versatile and nutritious tikkis make an excellent appetizer for guests or a satisfying light snack for yourself. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.